So we'll quickly be looking at one of the causes of congestive cardiac failure. So before we look into that cause, we'll first define heart failure. So heart failure is simply the inability of the heart to pump blood to meet the metabolic demands of the body. Inability of the heart to pump blood to meet the metabolic demands of the body. So when you look at congestive cardiac failure, the cause that we are looking at is known as coarctation of the aorta. So in coarctation of the aorta, what happens is that there will be narrowing of the aortic lumen. So by narrowing of the aortic lumen simply means that there will be reduction in the size of the space between the aorta, because the lumen is the space in between a blood vessel or a hollow organ. An example that we can give is a hose pipe. This same hose pipe that is used to water the garden, to water flowers and things like that. When you look at that hose pipe, it has got a space in between that allows water to flow out of it. So that space is known as the lumen of the hose pipe. So even when it comes to the aorta, the space in between is the lumen. So in this case, when there is narrowing, which means reduction in the size of the aortic lumen, it will result in what is known as coarctation of the aorta. So this is one of the causes of congestive cardiac failure. So people can ask, how does this cause cardiac failure? So when there's narrowing of the aortic lumen, it simply means that there will be backflow of blood into the heart. So under normal circumstances, when the heart pumps blood, that blood is supposed to leave the heart through the aorta to all parts of the body. But in a case where the aorta is blocked, that blood will not be able to flow out. So as a result, that blood will collect in the heart. Therefore, the blood will continue, the heart will continue pumping that blood so that it leaves the body. But no matter the effort of the heart, that blood will not be able to leave because the aortic lumen is blocked. So as a result, the heart will end up failing. That is what is known as coarctation of the aorta, and that is one of the causes of congestive cardiac failure. Thank you so much.